In this tutorial, I will show you how to work ruler tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's jump on it. So I am here in Adobe Photoshop and ruler tool is located here. I am right clicking and here is ruler tool with shortcut is I. So if I want to draw a line, I want to measure, I want to this line of the table. What is the length of this line? So I am ruler line from here and you can see the length is 622.92 pixel. Here is coordinates 62292. If I hold down Alt from the keyboard and clicking here, I can draw another line adding with it, and you can see the second ruler line L2 is 576.54 pixel length and the angle between two ruler line is 13920. If I am clearing it, the line will be gone. If I want to measure the angle of this line, I am clicking first ruler line and then hold Alt and Shift both and then a straight line. So the angle is 72.1 degree here and the length was also showed here. And if I want to straighten this image, so I am considering that the image is not straightened and I am checking it with this line. I am drawing a ruler line and when I clicking straighten line, you can see the image was actually unstraightened. It's not straightened. So now it is straightened. I can simply click the crop tool and adjust, delete the pixels shown from the image. So I hope you got all the points of ruler tool in Adobe Photoshop in this quick tutorial. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Keep editing.